If you're looking for a Notion alternative, two rising tools are AFFiNE and AppFlowy. Both are open source and privacy focused, but they take very different approaches. So which one is actually better? Let's break it down. So AFFiNE is a hybrid productivity tool combining docs, tasks, and an infinite whiteboard in one space. You can switch between writing and visual planning seamlessly, even turning notes into diagrams on the same canvas. Some of its pros: unique whiteboard and document combo, strong real-time collaboration with CRDT tech, and great for brainstorming and creative workflows. However, it's still evolving, smaller ecosystem, and can feel less stable or polished in some setups. It's best for teams and creators who want visual thinking and collaboration in one tool. AppFlowy is closer to a Notion-style workspace with pages, databases, Kanban boards, and strong offline support. It's built with Rust and Flutter, making it fast and efficient, especially for large data sets. Some of its pros: fully open source and offline first, strong structured data tools like tables, boards, and tasks, and more mature and stable overall. However, it's less flexible for visual workflows, and real-time collaboration still is catching up. It's best for developers and users who want structured productivity with full data control. So which one is better? Choose AFFiNE if you want visual workflows, whiteboards, and real-time collaboration. Great for creative teams. Choose AppFlowy if you want structured notes, databases, and full offline control. Ideal for personal productivity or dev setups. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.